Hello, friends. Welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words with me, Miss Hall.
And me, Ollie Owl.
Thanks so much for joining in. We're so glad you're here. Let's begin by reading our learning target.
I can identify specific sounds in words.
Very good, everyone. Our first activity is a rhyming activity. I'm going to say a real word. You're going to try to think of a make-believe word that rhymes with my word. Many answers will work. Ollie, will you think of some words too?
Of course I will.
Here's our first word. Dinosaur. Can you make a make-believe word that rhymes with dinosaur?
Dinosaur.
Good. Phinosaur and dinosaur rhyme. What about pencil? What's a make-believe word that could rhyme with pencil?
Wenzel.
Wenzel rhymes with pencil too. Great job, Ollie. Great job, students.
Now for our next activity, we will identify the first sound we hear in words.
That's right. I'm going to say a word. You're going to listen. And when Ollie puts his wing in the air, you're going to say the first sound you hear. Are you ready? Here we go. Grapes. Good. Good job. Trap. Great job. Smile. Very good. Let's do one more. Whistle. W. Great job identifying the first sound in words.
Now it's time for us to get our choppers out.
That's right. Ollie and I are going to say and chop all the sounds in a word. And when Ollie does this, you'll put those sounds together to make our word. Listen carefully, friends. Ch. Punch. Great job. G-O-O-B. Globe. Very good. F-I-M-B-O. Thimble. Very good. K-R-I-K-E-T. Cricket. That was a lot of sounds. Great job, everyone. Let's do one more. P-O-A-N-E-T. Planet.
Great job blending all the sounds in a big word to make a word.
Now it's time to identify the middle sound we hear in a word. I'm going to say 3 words. You're going to listen. And when Ollie flies up in the air, you're going to say the middle vowel sound you hear. I'm also going to ask if it's a long or short vowel sound. Are you ready? Here's our first set of words. Fake, male, quake. That's right, A. Is A a long or short vowel?
Long.
That's right, long. Cob, hot, mop. Ah, very good. Is ah a long or short vowel sound?
That one is short.
You're right, it is short. Let's do one more set of words. Seam, team, deal. E, very good. Is E a long or short vowel sound?
That one is long.
You're right, it is long.
Awesome job identifying the middle sound you hear in words and determining if it's a long or short vowel. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out.
That's right. I'm going to say a word. You will repeat the word and then chop all the sounds you hear. Are you ready? Here's our first one. Say claim. Now chop claim. O-A-M. Very good. Say floss. Now chop floss. F-O-A-S. Very good, friends. Say drummer. Now chop drummer. D-R-A-M-R. Good. Let's do one more. Say sketch. Now chop sketch. Sketch.
Great job breaking a word down into all its individual sounds.
Now for our next activity, we are going to start with a word. I am going to tell you the rhyme of the word, which is the ending chunk, to change. And when Ollie flaps his wings together, you're going to say what our new word is. Are you ready? Here we go. Say flash. Change ash to oat. Float. Very good. Say stack. Change ack to ill. Still. Very good. Say troop. Change oop to ought. Trot. Great job. Let's do one more. Say slight. Change ite to eep. Sleep. Great job, friends. Great job changing the ending chunk in a word to make a new word.
Now for our next activity, Miss Hull is going to say the first sound in a word. Then she'll tell you the ending chunk or rhyme to add. When I flap my wings together, you'll put it together to make our word.
Here's our first one. Say add ice. Mice. Great job. Say add ash. Rash. Very good. Say ear. Oh, I did that one wrong. Let me try again. Say y. Add ear. Year. Very good. Let's do one more, everybody. Say add eat. Heat.
Great job adding a rhyme to the first sound of a word to make a whole word. Is everyone ready for our very last activity?
I'm ready. We are going to start by saying a word. I'm going to tell you the ending chunk to take away. And when Ollie does this, you're going to say the first sound or sounds that's left. Here we go. Say wheeze. Say it without ease. Woo, great job. Say nose. Say it without O's. Very good. Say hint. Say it without int. Great job, everyone. Let's do one more. Say deer. Say it without ear. Duh.
Great job taking the ending chunk or rhyme of a word away and saying the first sound that's left.
Great job identifying specific sounds and words today, everyone. That's all the time we have. Thanks for joining in.
And we can't wait to see you again next time.